Okay, so yeah, I just got to get it apart here. See if I can strap my light up somewhere. Oh, the magnet. There we go. So this right here is the hot side. So you know what? We're gonna have a little water, a little pressure, not much. Little water, not much. I got a rag.
I got some paper towels there if you.
I got a rag. We'll be fine. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that sucker's really on there. Holy smokes. Moving, I got 40 gallons of water in there. There we go. Just gotta get it past that point.
It up in, or they put it
Well, yeah, that's from that was from the factory, you know. When
yeah.
now this is a sacrificial rod. Ooh, yeah, that's a party. Whoa. Yeah, that's nasty. That was definitely due.
Pretty worn up near the top there.
I'll flush this with a little water. Make sure my threads are okay, and they are.
Do you think the thing needs to be flushed through while you're doing it?
Yeah, we could probably do that. Let's see, are these? Oh, thank God that one's shorter.
Just a little bit.
Thank God it's shorter because,
If it was longer.
yeah, it makes my life easier.
You like tape better than dope?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm a tape guy. It's just cleaner and faster for service.
Every time I try to tape something, I tape it the wrong direction.
You got to make sure, like, see, you have it in your left hand. Are you right-handed or left-handed?
I'm right-handed.
If you're right-handed, you put the tape like this, like this,
Yeah.
and you wrap this way. You put it in your left hand, that's your guide.
Yeah.
And you wrap around this way, and you'll get it right every time.
Okay.
And there we go. Can't believe I'm moving this 40-gallon tank around. With all that water in there. Just trying to get these fittings apart. Well, that's number one. Let's go for number two. This is a dip tube. Thing's jammed up there tight. Oh, there we go. Wow. Oh, I got the whole fitting. That's fine. Well, this is the moment of truth here. And there it is. Here, look.
That's cracked. Oh, it's almost right out of the...
Yeah. Huh. Whoops. It's split all the way down.
Holy cow.
See that?
What would cause that?
Age.
God, I mean, it's only 8 years old. You would get 8 years. They don't make stuff. You used to get 15-year warranties on hot water tanks.
Yeah.
You never seem to have to replace stuff like that.
I told you.
Son of a gun.
Oh yeah, trying to get that union off of there. I'm gonna have to take it out to the truck and get the big boy wrench. But we can stick this in while I'm here. And I got that motor for the furnace too. We'll get that changed out. We'll get you all set, ready to go.
I guess we were never down here when the, well, we only had that heat around for a week. We never down here when it was running.
Well, I mean, luckily we caught it, because then we don't, you know, I don't have, you know, a no heat situation. Gingerly put her in there. There we go. It doesn't. That doesn't seem to be right. Oh. Seems like it wants to. Let me get that other fitting on there. Okay, so I was having a hard time threading this in. Seemed like it wanted to cross thread. It wants to float in there. No.
We probably haven't been getting hot water for quite a while, really.
Probably not.
Well, I know it's been. Son kept saying, "Well, I'm not getting hot water." It's like,
yeah.
Well, we kept turning up the gauge down there for
There's nothing I can do.
Until it got all the way to it's very hot. Then it only lasts for a minute or so, and well, I guess we better call somebody.
Yeah, for some reason this guy doesn't want to go back in the way it should. You'd think it's simple. I don't know. It's like I get resistance. I just don't feel like.
Without water in the tank, it's going better.
Oh, that's it right there.
You don't have no room over it.
Uh-oh. Oh, I'm like, why isn't that going on there? I gotta screw this down and some more. Still, it's even tight now. That's the only problem with these. You gotta, sometimes they're just a tad bit longer. And you gotta fight with them. There's not much room back here to begin with. Alright, you want to go turn some hot water on? We'll just, we'll leave it on for, I don't know, like 2 minutes. What was that?
Leave it on for 2 minutes and shut it off?
Yeah, I just want to get this thing started up. Alright, so, anode rod change, dip tube change. That's why the customer wasn't getting hot water or warm water. I told him it was broke about, well, no, that's the bottom. I told him it was broke about that far down, but it broke at the top. And anode rod, typical stuff, 8-year-old tank. And that's it for this one. See you on the next one, guys.